These two cars were used by Mable and John Ringling. As you may know, Sarasota was one of their homes, and they had luxurious cars. The first one here is a 1923 Pierce Arrow, Model 33, an open car that Mable used to drive. That's she and her husband there in those pictures. You notice the headlamps, how they're fared into the fenders, which is typical Pierce Arrow. Huge engine, 415 cubic inches, 6-cylinder. Early Pierce Arrows didn't believe in anything more than a 6-cylinder, but they made them huge. And unfortunately, the way the car is located in the museum, it's impossible to get around it to give you a detailed look, but you get the overall idea. Very stately, top of the line. This is when Pierce Arrow really was the epitome of luxury. And the other car is a 1924 Rolls Silver Ghost, rather. So Silver Arrow. Silver Ghost. And this was built in Springfield, Massachusetts. And I think a lot of people do know that Rolls had a plant over here in Springfield, and they manufactured cars, just put them together like they were put together in Britain. So it was an interesting time for Rolls Royce. And as that placard mentions, they were built in a factory that was originally for World War I production. So after the war, they used it to manufacture Rolls Royces. 453 cubic inch engine, 6-cylinder. So needless to say, the Ringlings drove in style. It's too bad I don't have more access to the entire car, but in a museum that's typically what you have. They're roped off and you get only partial views. Yeah, the museum is pretty neat there in Sarasota.